Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to make a opening like Marvel Studios opening. So first open your Capcut application and then insert this kind of red background onto your editing clip, and after that click the overlay and then add an overlay. For example, I already prepare a text, this text, then add it to the background, and after that adjust the duration when the text will appear. For example, I will try to edit on this 5 seconds, and now you need to adjust the length of the duration of the text like this, and after that go back one more time and then add an overlay. And I already prepared to this video. It's look like a comic video, and after that, after you insert your video, for reminder, you can use your picture too to edit on this background. And on this video tutorial I would like to add this video of comic like this, and now you need to adjust the size of it, make sure that it's cover all of the background like this. And after that, after you're doing it, now swipe left and then you need to find the splice, this one, and then click the overlay splice like this, and then decrease the style of this overlay splice like this, decrease until 40 like that, and then click done. And now you can see that the video is already matched with the background color like this. And for the text, we need to make a motion onto it, like fade in motion and fade out motion. And now let me show you how to make it. Click the text and then split it like this, and click the split text, and after that increase the duration like this. And then after you increase the duration, click the text and then swipe left, and you need to find animation, this one, and click the fade in animation like this, and increase the duration of the animation like this. And after you finish doing it, now you can see that the text will slowly appear on the background like that. And for the video, we need to add the out effect using this animation, and click the fade out and then increase the speed of the fade out. For example, I'll try to edit 2.5 seconds like this, and when you finish, click done, and there you go. You can see the result just by now. And that's the way how to make an opening video looks like a Marvel Studios opening video. And one more tips, if you want to make this kind of text, this text, you can use Canva application, and then use the Alter Gothic volume 2, because this font is look like Marvel font. That's why I'm using it, and that's the way how to make it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.